Hello, thanks for visiting my channel. Today, I am going to show you how to hide the WordPress theme name from the public. This helps you maintain your unique interface without anyone trying to copy your WordPress theme. Copy your website link. We shall paste our link into a WordPress theme detector to see if someone can see the theme we are using for our WordPress website. Click on Detect to begin the scanning process. As we wait for the scanning process to finish, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and share with friends to spread the news. As you can see, anyone is able to see the WordPress theme and plugins installed on our website. Let's log into our WordPress dashboard and see how we can hide our WordPress theme details from the public. In the dashboard, head over to Plugins, and click on Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type WP Hide. We are going to install a plugin called WP Hide and Security Enhancer. After that, head over to WP Hide and click on Hide. We are going to change the URLs of all the important tabs we want to hide. We shall fill in anything and save the changes for each tab. Follow along and see how it's done. If the display of the page changes, simply reload the page and continue. Repeat the same process for each tab and save all the changes. After all the changes are saved, we shall check again with a theme detector to make sure our theme cannot be detected by any theme detector. Please like, subscribe and share video with friends. Thank you.